Hi guys, Ian at Global Air Supplies. One of the questions I get asked quite a lot is, why do I need a fan controller? You need a fan controller to control your fans in your room, to control your environment. If you have a bad environment, your plants are going to struggle and you're not going to be happy when you get a really poor product at the end. What a fan controller does is basically your lights turn on, the temperature starts to rise in the room, and your fan controller will know that this is happening if it's a thermostatic fan controller, and it will increase the fan speed. As the lights turn off, it will see that there's been a decrease in the light source or decrease in the temperature, and the fan will turn down, keeping the heat in the room, but also keeping the humidity. So it's basically yo-yoing between getting too hot and getting too cold, and that's why you need a thermostatic fan controller in the room. We do all sorts of different fan controllers which will control heat, temperature, humidity. They'll control everything. So you've got the cheap AC1 controller, which only works on a one fan AC fan like the RVK. Plug it into the front, set your temperature, set your minimum speed. When you hit the temperature, it will come out with minimum speed all up to full speed. When your temperature starts to dip below set temperature, it will dim down to minimum speed, keeping your environment at that perfect place where it needs to be. We just simple EC controllers, which will just basically control your EC fan on temperature. Then you've got the ACEC and the Enviro controller, which basically Enviro control is a full environmental control. So it'll do your humidity, temperature, dehumidity, turn the lights on and off, and also run your fans. We've got every controller for every single fan we do and every single growing type. So please use a controller when you can.